UP government to set up 20 ashram system schools for the underprivileged. Do not withdraw challenge of debating on school models, says Manish Sisodia to UP Ministers Day. A new generation of online education giants are rising. Puducherry schools to reopen on Jan 4th. The overseas education of the students are largely affected by the pandemic. Tamil Nadu cancels half-yearly exams for students of government school. Students of class 10 and 12 COVID before schools reopen. Good afternoon and warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Balaji reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Uttar Pradesh government will set up at least 20 ashram-based schools in the state to facilitate poor students belonging to SCN and ST and general categories. Accordingly, 45 hostels will also come up for these students. At least 103 ashram Padati schools are already functioning in the state to provide free education, food, residential facilities, book and other requirements to the students. Providing details of the work done and the scheme implemented in the past 4 years, Social Welfare Minister Ramapati Shastri on Wednesday said over 21 lakh students got scholarship in 2016 to 17. Do not withdraw the challenge now, said Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia on Wednesday, taking on Uttar Pradesh Basic Education Minister Satish Dwivedi, who dared the Delhi Minister to pay them a visit and debated the education and school facilities in these two states. The challenge by the UP Minister was thrown soon after the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced on Tuesday that his Aam Aadmi Party will contest the 2020 Uttar Pradesh state poll. In this announcement, Kejriwal had highlighted conditions of healthcare facilities, school governance and law and order in Uttar Pradesh. Technology is rapidly revolutionizing in India, while existing online edtech platforms are old generations with stagnant technology. The ODA classes emerges as a new generation education platforms in the Indian online education market, utilizing advanced technology to increase the reach and impact of the education system. The ODA classes can help students across India to thrive through an active medium of teaching and learning. This accelerates the digital learning process along with paving a new pathway for online education. All schools in Puducherry will reopen on January 4th, being shut since March due to the outbreak of COVID-19, said the Agriculture and the Education Minister R. Kamalakannan on Wednesday. Initially, the schools would have half-day classes from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and full-day classes from Jan 18th, the minister said. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the education sector has witnessed drastic changes. But to think the pandemic has made an impact only on India's educational model would be naive. A majority of the countries have asked the students to return to their respective home countries and shifted the classes to the online teaching model. While this may be the better for the safety of the students, it has the adverse negative effects on the mental health of the other hand. These effects can be primarily linked directly to the changing visa policies in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. The Tamil Nadu School Education Minister K.A. Sengotian on Wednesday said that the half-yearly examinations for students in government and government-aided schools are cancelled for the current academic year. The exams have been cancelled amid the COVID-19 pandemic, where Tamil Nadu has reported more than 8 lakh cases. We have allowed private schools to conduct online examinations if required, said Sengotian on Wednesday. 22 students test positive for COVID-19 in Hisar, Rohtak and Jhajjar districts of Haryana when they underwent the mandatory health checkup prior to the reopening of schools for classes 10 and 12 on December 14, as said by the official. Vinay Sethia, a health inspector at Barwara, said the matter came to the light after school principal Gajanan Sharma requested the department to collect samples of the students of 2 classes at Keri Barki village itself on December 12. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, which is www.denn.com, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.